Welcome to our channel. My name is Oral Mackenzie, and in this live stream, I would like to share with you how to fix OBS black screen problem on Windows 10, game live streaming or game recording, or if you're just capturing your computer screen. Now, if you're a young YouTuber, meaning you're just getting started on YouTube, or even if you have been on YouTube for a while, and you want to record your screen or you want to live stream your content and your video, OBS is a free software and it do a very good job, and it's what I would recommend if you're looking for free software because it is what I use. However, is a little problem with it if you're on a Windows 10 computer. But it's very easy to fix, and I will be taking you through the process of how to fix it. So if you're not sure, you could go to this website and download it. So it's https://obsproject.com, and you can just click on the download button, and you can download it very easy to your computer. And after you download it, there tends to be a little problem with it, showing you this black screen and it's not recording your video. I have a complete playlist on how to fix OBS, and I also have videos on how to fix OBS. But I decided I'm going to do this live stream because a lot of persons continuously ask me how to fix the black screen on OBS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the video for you. We're going to watch the video together, and then I'll be here to answer all your questions and concern that you have as it relates to OBS black screen problem. Put your questions in the chat. Let me check in the chat and see how much person is watching. So somebody just joining us. The person that joined us, can you just indicate in the chat what's your name so I can give you a shout out on my channel? So with no further ado, I'm going to go over and let us watch the video together, and then I'll be taking your questions as it relates to OBS and this black screen problem. So let me just turn on a next mic, and I want you to pay attention to this. When you're live streaming, you have to be able to ensure that you only have one mic turned on. If you have more than one mic turned on, when you're using OBS, it will give an echo, a feedback noise. You'll give an echo feedback noise, and your viewers won't hear what you're saying properly. So now that I'm gonna play a video, I have to turn on the desktop mic. If I'm just doing a recording, I have to turn off the desktop mic and just use one mic. OBS is designed in a way where you can use more than one mic and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go over now and start playing the video, and then we're gonna show you the OBS setup that I'm using now, and then I'm gonna take your questions. So I go to OBS, I go to settings, just waiting for it to come up. What I want to do now is to go to audio, and where I have desktop audio device, I'm going to turn it on now so that you can actually hear the video that I'm going to play. Notice OBS give you a lot of options on mic. You have two desktop audio you can use, and you have 3 other auxiliary audio that you can use. So I'm just going to turn on this first one. So I click speaker HP real high definition audio, and what you have to do from there is to click apply, and then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to play the video now. I'm not going to do a lot of talking because it might be echoing.
Tanisha's Salon. Come on in and be happy.
So first, let me show you the problem that exists with OBS Studio. and then I'm going to show you how to fix it. So if I come right here, so I already have my OBS open. So I come right here and add a scene. So I'm just going to let it name scene 1. So add a scene, click OK. And I come right here and I add a source. So I can add a video capturing device, that's my webcam. So I can just go ahead and add that. So if all I have to do from here is to click OK. So if I add my webcam, and then I should go and add a window capturing device. So let me just ensure that I open Chrome before I add that. So open Chrome, I go back to OBS, and I'm going to add a window capturing device. So add a window capture, click OK, and they ask me which window I want to add. I click this drop down arrow and add Chrome, and I click OK. You notice that it is black, dark. Nothing is showing on it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that problem. So all you have to do from here is the first thing first, you want to find out what bit your computer is. So I'm going to go to search and I'm going to type in system. So just going to click on it right here. And if you notice, it said that my system type is 62-bit. So cool. I now know what bit I'm using. So when you download OBS, it normally comes in 2 versions, 64-bit and a 32-bit. What you have to do now is to go and change the 64-bit settings, the compatibility settings. So I'm just going to go to search and type in OBS. And I'm looking for the folder. So I click on the folder. And I go to 64-bit. And I right click on it. And go down to properties. And I go to compatibility. And if you notice, it is running at Windows 8. You want to change this to Windows 7. So I'm going to click right here. It's a change setting for all users, or it might give you an option to change from up here. So change settings, but because I'm in my administrative settings, so I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to select Windows 7, and I'm going to run this as an administrator. I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click OK right here. But the problem isn't fully fixed as yet. So that is just one part of the fix. There's something else that you have to do. What I want to do next now is to go over to my browser, click on it, and what I want to do is to come down to properties, click on properties, and go to compatibility. And I want to do the same thing. I want to change this to Windows 7. So I'm going to change settings for all users, and I'm going to run this as Windows 7. So I click run programming compatible for, and I select Windows 7. And I click. I also want to run it as administrator. I click apply. I click OK. OK. So what you want to do now is to close your current browser that you have running. And then you go back to your browser and open it and run it as administrator. I'm not going to do that because I'm actually using my browser to record this video through YouTube. So I'm just going to go back to OBS and show you that the problem has been fixed. So what you want to do now is to ensure that you open your Chrome browser, go back over to OBS, and I'm going to add a window capture. Let's see if it works this time. So I click OK, and I'm going to select the browser that I want to add, select my Chrome browser, and I click OK. And there you have it. Problem has been fixed. Your screen is now being recorded. So thank you for making it to the end of this video. I provide to you was valuable and you learned something, I'll implore you to like the video, share the video, and so that's basically how you would actually fix OBS black screen problem. Lovely kid from Japan. Hi there. He said, hi there. What's the black screen? I don't have that problem here. Yes, daddy. Um, what is this? Snow Dog Lovers 69 BOI said, yes, daddy. Why you have nail salon intro when you are doing these tech videos? Did you think about changing the intro? No, I actually do that intro deliberately because how I actually make money from YouTube is promoting my salon where I provide a service. So I use YouTube to promote my service because you know you don't really make any money from. All right, let me actually explain something to you, love kid from Japan. There are four basic ways to earn money from YouTube, or some people would say three. One, through AdSense, as we all know, by running ads on your videos. Two, by affiliate marketing, and three, by promoting your own service or product on your YouTube videos. Now, for you to earn a lot of money from AdSense, you have to be getting like, say for example, million views per month. And as a small channel, you won't be getting a million views per month. You might be getting like some 10,000, 20,000 or stuff like that. And you'll get that's a very small amount of money that you would earn from AdSense. In fact, if I should put it to a ratio, for every 1,000 view that you get on your channel or on a video, you might earn $1. So that is very small. As it relates to affiliate marketing now, you know that you would first have to build your channel and develop an audience before you can actually make any money from affiliate marketing. So when you're a person that just starting out on YouTube, one of the best way to earn money is to promote your own product or service. Alright, say for example, I have a video that gets 3,000 views. So I would only make 300 $3 from that. What if I have a product that I'm selling for $100 and I get 3,000 views? I might get 10 sale. So 10 times 3 is how much? You see what I'm talking about? So that is my method how I earn from YouTube by promoting my services. Anybody else that is watching that have any questions as it relates to YouTube black screen problem? Um Snow Dog Lovers, what do you use to record your videos? Are you a YouTuber? Do you have any problem with YouTube with OBS black screen? And Love Kid from Japan, what do you use to record your videos? Do you use OBS? I'm just gonna give you about 30 seconds or so to respond to me in the chat because I know this live stream is probably delayed 30 seconds or so. So thank you all for making it to the end of this live stream. And if the information I provide to you was